queen didn't come back either. So we went and got a frame of bees from 115 east fence and put in here. But they've got a pretty good amount of bees in here, so let's see what happens. You know that when the queen goes out, she comes back. She brings bees back with her. So maybe that's what this one did. Maybe the queen did come back and we just didn't see her. This is a plastic frame that they're building it, and they're putting honey in it or nectar in it, so we don't want to discourage them. Looks like the frame that I put in there. It had eggs and brood. This one here had a bunch of brood that was fixing to hatch, and some eggs. A little baby right there hatching out. Why don't you show us, Sam? Because you can't see her. She's just sticking her little wings out. I mean, her little tentacles out. She's right there. Showing y'all, then we won't mess with them. A lot of bees have been boring. Just showing y'all what we're doing. They'll still be on the same playlist. This one's 10. This one over here is 220. We changed the name or the number to the other 220 to 222. Don't like having two boxes in the same place with the same number. Couldn't name them, but this one here is one of our frames that we put in there with a fishing line, and we put it from over here to here, and they're building it out now. Pollen, nectar, honey, and that's it. It's a good frame. Be gentle with your bees, people, and respect them. I mean, they're not some dumb little critters. People could learn a lot from bees if they was to study them. You ain't got to study them, just watch them and be around them. And these little queen cups I keep tearing down, and they keep building back. All of these little queen things, I mean, they don't mean nothing. They have no eggs. Bottom still clean. But if there is a queen, they won't make a queen. And if there's not a queen, they'll make queen cells to make a queen because they have eggs. Without eggs, they're not going to build any queen. Some people say they'll go steal an egg from another hive, and that might be right, I don't know. But if they do, that's good too. It's kind of like an adoption, you know. They go out and pick an egg from some other hive. That means that's the egg that they want. It's a good egg. Kind of like somebody goes and adopts somebody. That's a good thing. You didn't get parents that just wanted you in adoption. They really wanted you. And they're already up here on the food. Y'all, I just talk sometimes. Okay. We put a broken brick on it. Means we got queen. This one over here, y'all give us a thumbs up, comment, share, and be happy. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.